I do, Judge.
That's going to be the Christmas rush. Everybody wants out for Christmas, right?
Yep.
All right. Can you tell we're live on YouTube? Yeah, I think we are, right?
Yeah.
All right. I got one set of paperwork on Derek. On the 7-1 case. 719971. And did Alex tell me these are going to be probation cases? Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I'll need to talk to him after the plea, but I mean, I'm a co-host, so I can stay on
Yep,
and everyone else can get off.
All right, Alex, probation or deferred?
Let me,
Probation.
oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Alex, I'm gonna keep him up. The same one.
You're gonna keep him in the same one? Okay, Gil, after his plea.
Okay.
Okay.
That's after they go for the hearing or before?
No, so they do this, and as soon as they're done, the paper goes to the judge. And then they come up here and the judge basically does the judgment.
So they do that, then they come up here.
Yes, sir.
And then,
We send it back to you.
the judge will come back then and they're waiting for
Time served.
Okay. So all of them have to do that first before they come up here. Got it.
He's the last one for the docket, so if you want to do my way.
Yes, you can email me the offense report, Mr. Playfair.
I believe I sent it over already. Let me know
Okay,
if there's any
great.
issue.
I'll look for it.
Awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, Michael, any idea who's next week's prosecutor?
I believe it's Jessica.
Jessica Thompson. Did you hear that, Valverde and Mona? Jessica Thompson. And the clerk, yeah. You need me to send you guys an email?
No, ma'am, I got it, but I mean, I don't know about everyone else. Thank you.
Do they get like combat pay? Why do we keep getting new prosecutors? Nobody wants to stay with us? Is that it?
They don't like us, Judge.
Yeah. You know what I have to say about that, Alex, don't you?
It's
I can't. We're on YouTube. I can't say.
the person that was supposed to be here is on maternity leave, Judge. So that's why we're getting a new we have different prosecutors every week until she comes back from maternity leave. Am I right, Mr. Poifer? I'm sure.
That's my understanding.
Okay.
I've just been filling in anytime somebody needs some help. I've jumped in. So that's why you've had my face here.
Okay, that's okay.
We'll keep you.
All right, I got two sets of paperwork. All we need is Cornelius now. Mona, I apologize. We just have to get this one done.
That's fine, Judge.
You can leave him up. You have to go back on the computer. It's long.
Derek, hang on. We're just waiting on your lawyer, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Just waiting for Cornelius to get out of that room.
Oh. So, according to the senior probation, so if you want to see what
Oh, here's a motion to dismiss.
These are the TICs.
You know what? Let me wait on him, Michael, just in case anything breaks down during this process. Sign them and then.
Oh, you already walked off?
Walk it back. Where the heck is Cornelius?
All right, thanks a lot.
I just let him back into the main room, Judge. He logged out and logged back, and here he comes.
Who?
Cornelius, are you ready?
Ready, Judge.
Okay.
I'm as ready as the New York Times, Judge. I'm not ready.
All right. This is 719970. Mr. Hill, you have two cases. I'm going to be giving you the same kind of rigmarole in both about your rights and everything else. So make sure you understand it. And don't worry You have a lawyer there, so if you have any questions, you just need to ask, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, you are Mr. Derek Hill?
I am.
All right, Mr. Hill, please raise your right hand for me, sir. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Hill. Mr. Hill, you put your hand down. Mr. Hill, is it all right with you, sir, that we proceed with your hearings this morning on this Zoom platform rather than in person?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Thank you, Mr. Hill. In 719970, sir, you are charged with the offense of indecent assault. Evidently, that is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand what you're charged with and the possible punishment in this case?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Hill, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in these cases. Mr. Hill, what that means is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where Mr. Cox can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Mr. Hill, Mr. Cox can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury or juries. Mr. Hill, do you understand, sir, you have those rights?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Hill, do you also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Yes, I do.
All right, but if you want to give them up, Mr. Hill, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork I've been provided called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. And let me share that paperwork with you, Mr. Hill. Did you go over this paperwork with Mr. Cornelius Cox, your lawyer, before you signed it?
Yes, I did.
Do you understand what's in these documents, Mr. Hill?
Yes.
Great, because these documents tell me, sir, that you do understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and you further understand you have all those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so that you may enter into an agreement with the state of Texas in these cases. Mr. Hill, is that what you wish to do?
Yes, correct.
Thank you, sir. Great. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Hill, evidently you have plea bargains in these cases. First thing you need to understand, sir, is the fact that I don't have to go along with your agreements. However, if I don't go along with your agreements for whatever reason, I will allow you to withdraw your pleas and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. You understand?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Hill, do me a favor, sir. Just listen up, and the state's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Go ahead, state.
The agreement includes a $0 fine, court costs, 12 months in the Bexar County Jail, probated over 12 months, 80 hours community service, an MRT course, no contact orders with CWs named as Marion Smith, Jackie Wheeler, and Laura Beltran. And for this punishment is to run concurrent with the following charge of indecent assault, the 7-0 case as well.
All right, you're going to have to help me out, Mike. I got Jackie Smith. Who else? No contact?
Sorry, that's Marion Smith, Marian Smith, spelled traditionally. Jackie Wheeler.
Oh, sorry. Marion's. Hang on just a second. Jackie Wheeler.
And Laura Beltran.
And Your Honor, if I may, if prosecutor, if you look at, you got a notification from the county court 12 prosecutors, and they amended it to be 10 months. So you should have gotten an email. I talked to her.
10 months probation?
That's correct, Judge.
Or the underlying sentence?
Okay.
Mike, can you substantiate that?
Yes.
Check the email.
Yep, that is verified. Understood.
Okay, and then I'm sorry, Mike. 10 months probation, 80 hours community service. What was the class?
MRT.
Is that? Do I have that here? MRT.
If you'll share the screen, Judge, I can look with you. It should be the moral.
MRT.
It's not on there, Your Honor. I don't see it.
Okay.
So you could just, I guess, type it on the miscellaneous.
That's not the cognitive behavior or nothing. Okay, MRT class. Moral recognition therapy. Or
Yes, Your Honor. You can just abbreviate it if you want. I think they know what it is.
all right, I put moral RT.
Okay.
All right, There was that class, Mike, and then the no contact, and that's it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Cornelius, is that the agreement? Oh, I'm sorry. Can you give me the case number it's running concurrent with?
It's running concurrent with 719970.
That's correct, Judge.
All right, great. Mr. Cornelius Cox, is that the agreement as you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hill, is that the agreement as you understand it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Cornelius Cox, does Mr. Hill have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Derek Hill, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, I am.
Please tell me, Mr. Hill, how you pleaded the Class A misdemeanor offense of indecent assault. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Mr. Hill, you understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea, right?
Yes.
And has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead no contest?
Not at all.
But after talking with Cornelius Cox and given this plea bargain, have you decided it's in your own best interest to plead no contest in this case?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Hill. I will accept your plea of no contest in this case. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of indecent assault, a Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court, and 365 days in the Bexar County Jail. I will grant your application for community supervision for a period of 10 months. By agreement, you are to complete 80 hours of community service restitution, take the MRT course, and have no contact with Jackie Wheeler, Marion Smith, or Laura Beltran. This was a plea bargain. In this case, will run concurrent with 719970, which we're getting to right now. This was a plea bargain situation, Mr. Hill. You have no right to appeal my decision. Mr. Hill, any questions on that case?
No, sir.
All right, Alex, are we okay on that case and ready to go on to the next, you think?
I mean, yes, sir.
Alex?
Yes, sir.
I think so. Okay. All right.
Just
let
on
me
both
sign
cases,
off. Whoa. Let me sign off on that one. We'll get to his other case. What was it, Cornelius?
on both cases, Judge, I'm going to be at, since my client is virtually homeless, we're going to ask at the minimum supervisory fees on both.
Yeah, I'll put that in the notes to this case that it applies to both cases, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, sir. All right, Mr. Hill, here we go again, all right? This is 719971. You're still under oath. Mr. Hill, is it okay with you, sir, that we proceed with this case by video conference?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Hill. Mr. Hill, you're charged with the same crime in this case, and that is indecent assault in 719971. Let me see if that's the same. Yeah, which makes this a Class A misdemeanor. Daniel, check me on this. I could have sworn I might have put the wrong case number in the concurrent box on that last plea. Make sure it's the right one they're running concurrent.
Yes, of course, Judge.
All right, thank you. Mr. Hill, I apologize. You're charged with indecent assault, Class A misdemeanor in this case, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Mr. Hill, you understand that charge and the range of punishment?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Hill, you got the exact same rights in this case as you had in the last one, and that is a right to remain silent, confront the witnesses, and have jury trials. But this paperwork that I shared with you is telling me that you want to give up those rights in this case as well and enter into an agreement. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Hill. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause as well. Give me just a second, sir. All right, Mr. Hill, like I said, I will approve your waivers in this case as well.
Yes, sir.
Like I said, you have a plea bargain in this case as well. You already know I don't have to go along with the agreement, but if I don't go along, I'll let you start all over again. Nothing's going to be held against you. In just a second here, Mr. Hill, we're going to have the prosecutor read the plea bargain. In this case, it's probably very similar, but just if there's anything that you think is out of the ordinary or anything like that, you let me know about it. Go ahead, state. What's the plea bargain?
The agreement includes $0 fine, court costs, 12 months in the Bexar County Jail, probated over 12 months.
10 months or 12?
Oh, sorry, I apologize. 10 months. Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you.
80 hours community service and that MRT course as well. The known contact orders are the same as with the prior case with Jackie Wheeler, Marion Smith, Laura Beltran. And with respect to this general plea of 719-970 and 719-971, the state will be taking into consideration 719-837 and 719-972 as in association with this plea.
Seven one nine 837 and 719-972. Is that what you said?
Correct.
And of course, this case will run concurrent with 719-970, right?
Yes.
That's correct, Judge.
And then the MRT. I think I got it all. All right. Cornelius, is that the agreement as you understand it in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Hill, excuse me, sir. Is that the agreement as you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Cox, does Mr. Bell have a rational as well as factual understanding of these charges and proceedings against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
He's been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses,
Yes, Your Honor.
and he's legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Derek Hill, you're still a citizen of the United States of America, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then I ask you, sir, how you plea in this case to the Class A misdemeanor offense of indecent assault. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Mr. Hill, I could still find you guilty based on that plea. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
But after talking with your lawyer and given this plea bargain, have you decided it's in your own best interest to plead no contest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nobody's forced you or threatened you or anything like that, right?
No, sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Hill. I will accept your plea of no contest in this case. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of the Class A misdemeanor offense of indecent assault. Having made that finding, I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court, 365 days in the Bexar County Jail. I will grant your application for community supervision for a period of 10 months. There's 80 hours of community service that you've agreed to. You also agree to take the MRT course, restitution, and stay away from Jackie Wheeler, Marion Smith, and Laura Beltran. I will note in the miscellaneous here that all fees and
Your Honor, you can, on this one, you could put 0 SF supervisory fees since they were assessed on the other case.
where is that?
If you can share the screen again, I'll look with you.
Oh, is that CSF?
No, what is that, Daniel?
CSF would be supervisory fees, wouldn't it? No?
I don't know. Oh, yes, Your Honor. You can put 0. Yes, it's community supervision fees.
Thank you, Alex. I
You're
got
welcome,
something. I
Judge.
got something right. And the court.
It took 2 of us to figure that out.
All right.
Okay, there you go, Cornelius. Took care of that.
No problem.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
Okay,
Did you want it 0 on the other one as well?
I did.
Okay, sounds good. We can amend it.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I don't want him jammed up over monies. He's got other stuff that he needs to worry about.
I appreciate
Like that MRT course and stuff like that. Like I said, 365 days probated for 10 months, 80 hours community service. Restitution, I'm going to waive the supervisory fees. I'll put them at 0. The no contact order, I'm going to take into consideration and dismiss as soon as I get that paperwork, Mr. Hill. 719-837 and 719-972. And this case will run concurrent with 719-970. Mr. Hill, this was another plea bargain situation. You have no right to appeal. All right, Mr. Hill, do you have any questions, sir?
No, I do not, sir.
All right, they're going to put you somewhere and you're going to talk to probation real quickly, okay, before they let you out, all right?
Okay, yes, sir.
You take care of yourself. Stay well.
You too, sir. Happy
All right.
holidays.
Thank you, sir. Cornelius, thank you, brother. Have a Merry Christmas, kid. I'll see you soon.
All right, take care, Judge. Same to you. Right.
Judge, just for clarification real quick, Cornelius, was there a restitution assessed? Can you?
No, we
it
just,
wasn't.
I just
She was
wanted to
just
make
dancing.
sure.
he was just dancing in the Via bus with the ladies, having a good time. That's all.
Okay, Ron, you too. Okay.
Well, frankly, if that happened to me, I'd be asking for some kind of restitution. I don't. All right, let's get off YouTube.